Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking your data, authorize Google accounts, and add BigQuery, Sheets, or a connector. Connect the exact table or view you need, then set refresh cadence such as 15 minutes or 1 hour to control cost and latency. Once linked, sample fields to preview types and spot anomalies. This prevents heavy queries while you design. Make sure to rename ambiguous fields now and create calculated fields for immediate use, so visuals reflect the logic you intend. You now build the report. Add scorecards, time series, and tables to convey trends and KPIs. Create calculated fields for ratios or normalized metrics, and explicitly set data types so sorting and aggregation behave predictably. When combining sources, use blending on shared keys and control join type. This preserves row counts and avoids duplication. Once done, apply report-level filters and reusable segments to keep consistency across pages and speed iteration without rebuilding visuals. You finish by setting sharing and delivery. Grant viewer or editor access, enable scheduled email delivery, and configure PDF exports. Test the report on mobile and desktop. Make layout tweaks and use responsive elements so visuals adapt. Make sure to document data sources and refresh settings for stakeholders. If numbers look off, check joins, date range mismatches, field types, sampling limits, and query quotas. Those are the usual culprits. If a connector fails, reauthorize and inspect connector logs to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.